Viva na Hololive!
Jokes aside, heard the news that wildfires are spreading in Canada. Hope nothing bad happens to you. But if it does, please go to a safe place immediately. Take care of yourself first. Of course, man. Thank you. It'll be fine. I think I've told you about that story once where fire alarms were going off and everybody was running towards the exit stairs, and I was too lazy to take the stairs despite that, so I took the elevator. I was walking. I was the only one walking as everyone was running out, and I was just walking my way to the elevator, and I took it, and yeah, nobody was around. It was great. And then by the time I got there, everybody was outside. And yeah. Just making my way downtown, chilling. What in the world? Yeah. Or there was that one time, I was trapped underground. Yeah, like, apparently the doors were locked or something, and someone was telling me, Kronii, the doors are locked and there's no signal because we're underground, we can't get out, what are we gonna do? And like, it's a Friday and nobody else is gonna check in for the weekend, what are we gonna do? And I was like, I was working on an assignment or something, and I just looked up, looked at her and said, okay. Well, I mean, I still have a bottle of water. I think we can survive for the rest of the weekend. It is what it is. What happened next? Oh yeah! It turned out to be a prank, and she was just really concerned for me afterwards. She was just telling me, Kronii, you're supposed to be scared or get some sort of a response, not like that. I was like, what if I got to lose? Yeah. I mean, if I was gonna die, I would have died already, so... yeah. If I'm still here, then that means that I guess I have to live longer.
One day when the tonguing is done, we'll take our leave.